Welcome back again in the last basics tutorial on this course. After this tutorial we will start making real projects and automate stuff with Bash. Our topic today is about loops. Loops allow us to take a series of commands and keep rerunning them until a particular situation is reached. They are useful for automating repetitive tasks. There are three basic loop structures in Bash scripting which we'll look at below. There are also a few statements which we can use to control the loop's operation. One of the easiest loops to work with is while loops loop. They say, while an expression is true, keep executing these lines of code. They have the following format. You'll notice that similar to if statements, the test is placed between square brackets. In the example below we will print the numbers 1 through to 10. First we created a variable with starting value equal to 1. Then made a simple while loop that says print counter value. And add 1 to its value if counter is not equal to 10. And here at the bottom we use the echo to print all done. Back to terminal and run this script. As you can see, it printed from 1 to 10 and printed all done. Now to for loops. The for loop is a little bit different to the while loops. What it does is say for each of the items in a given list, perform the given set of commands. It has the following syntax. The for loop will take each item in the list in order one after the other. Assign that item as the value of the variable var, execute the commands between do and done, then go back to the top. Grab the next item in the list and repeat over. The list is defined as a series of strings, separated by spaces. Here is a simple example to illustrate. First we declared a variable named names and seeded 3 names as a value to it. Then seeded a starting value for x variable equal to 1. Used names variable as a list with for loop to print name with numbers, then added 1 to x value. Then printed all done. Back to our terminal and try to run this script. And as we can see, it printed each name with round number using x variable. This was everything for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed.